today we're going to install a new battery on this 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put the battery right on the battery tray. Next thing we're going to do is actually clamp down the battery. And if you can see those holes down there, that's where you're actually going to clamp those at. So this one will go down there, and the rear one will go somewhere down here. Alright, there it is. I hooked it on both sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a 10mm socket to tie that down. There it is. Alright, once you have that nice and secured, the battery's not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and remove these caps. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the positive terminal. We're going to use a 10mm speed ratchet to tie this down. And just make sure it's nice and tight. Perfect. Now we'll grab the negative terminal and go ahead and tie that one down as well. Alright, perfect. Now let's go ahead and connect the intake piping. This is going to go right in here. Work it in there. You're going to need both hands to get it in there, more than likely. Oh, I got it in with one hand. Alright, same thing with this one here. Go ahead and work that in. Sweet. And use the retainer clips right in here, just like so. And this is going to go right in there. Now this was missing one already, but you should have two of them. And once you do that, you are set. Let's go ahead and start her up. I am not using a memory saver because the battery was dead on this car. I work at a dealership and this car had a dead battery and needed to be replaced. So let's go ahead and start her up. As you can see, no issues. No need for a memory saver. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.